Hey everyone, it's Bruce McLaughlin, Movement Mortgage, and happy Blue Friday. Or by the time you see this, the Seahawks would have beaten the Philadelphia Eagles.
For sure, yeah.
So, because we're doing this on Friday, and you'll probably see this on Monday or Tuesday.
So I'm Josh Barnard, Home Team Northwest, and we're just out here, want to talk a little bit about loans today. I get a question quite often about what is needed for a loan. What is needed for down payment assistance?
Yeah.
What do people need?
The biggest thing a lot of people wonder is, what can I qualify for? Do I need a lot, like you're saying? So programs vary. The smallest down payments are 3% for conventional, 3.5% for FHA. USDA is one of the lowest. In our area, we have a lot of areas for USDA, and that's zero down on that. But there are also programs that provide the down payment assistance through Washington State. So they will give you the down payment in the form of a 0% loan, and that's their no money down program. And so what I do is I figure out, I get your income, all your information, run credit, and figure out how you qualify for those programs and how they'll benefit you. And then we'll look at the options if that's the best program for you, or going the route with a down payment. And your down payment can come from yourself, from your 401k, your checking, your savings, or from a family gift. So if you have a grandmother, father, mom, aunt, uncle, or if you're getting married and you get a lot of people giving you gifts, they can do it that way too.
Okay. Tell me about the USDA a little bit more. That's geographical, right?
Yeah, USDA is just like, you see a steak and, it's a stamped USDA. Okay, same kind of thing, agricultural. So for our USDA territory up in Puyallup, it's about 176th and Meridian. As you head out towards Graham, that's all USDA area. And it kind of follows a line out there towards the Roy Y, and it goes out into Roy, Yelm, and all that. And then also it cuts down into Ording, parts of Sumner, which is more, I'll show you on the map, Buckley, Enumclaw, things like that. And so it's all located on that map, and it is an income-driven program, so if you make too much money, you do not qualify for it.
Okay. And then the WA bond, which is the zero down as well. Explain that a little bit more. Is there a second mortgage on it? What does that look like?
So we call it WA bond, which is Washington Bond, and the program is ran by Washington State. So that program sets the interest rates. It is a conventional FHA, VA, or USDA loan. So Washington State provides you with a 0% second mortgage. And so that loan is given to you for the down payment. So we've had many clients do that. And so when they do that program, they'll give you up to 4% towards a down payment, and that money can be used for your down payment and some closing costs. And that money is paid back when you sell the house, you pay the house off, or you refinance it. But there's no interest on that. So we've had clients I've seen build, $50, $60, or $100,000 in equity from that program, and they got into the home with zero down. So they had to pay back that 3%, which could be like a $9,000 loan.
Right.
So paying back $9,000 in 5 years when you gained $80,000 in equity, it's a good trade-off.
Yeah, it's not a bad return. It's decent.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Well, any other last words on kind of the loan situation right now, starting in 2020?
People wonder how to get started. The best thing is to reach out to me. I'll go over what I need, and I'll figure out what program works best for your situation. Everyone's different, but someone needs to know where to start and how to get to the end, and what can I do? Well, I'll help navigate that for you.
I think that's the biggest thing is not all loans are exactly the same. It's all personal in terms of your specific situation.
Yeah.
And I think that's the biggest thing that we look at is when you're Googling it, it's going to be straight across the board. But when you get in and actually have credit pull, look at income, look at all that type of stuff, then it becomes specific to you. And that's when we can really tell what's going to be best for your situation.
Absolutely. So reach out to us. Our information will be down below, and give us a call anytime to answer any question whatsoever.
Perfect. Go Seahawks.